This looks complicated, but one simple trick solves everything. Solution. First, let us rewrite the equation. Let us rewrite 4 raised to power x. 4 raised to power x is equal to 2 raised to power 2, everything raised to power x, because 2 raised to power 2 is 4. And 2 raised to power 2, everything raised to power x, is also equal to 2 raised to power x, everything raised to power 2. You can interchange the power. They are still the same thing. Also, let us rewrite 6 raised to power x. 6 raised to power x equal to bracket 2 multiplied by 3 raised to power x, because 2 times 3 will give us 6. So we are going to have 2 raised to power x multiplied by 3 raised to power x. Also, let us rewrite 9 raised to power x. 9 raised to power x equal to 3 raised to power 2 bracket x, and we can interchange it. It can be written as 3 raised to power x, everything raised to power 2. So let us substitute this into the given equation. We have 2 raised to power x, everything raised to power 2, minus 5 bracket 2 raised to power x multiplied by 3 raised to power x plus 6 bracket 3 raised to power x, everything raised to power 2, equal to 0. So let a equal to 2 raised to power x and b equal to 3 raised to power x. So let us substitute them into this equation. So in place of this, we put a. So we have a raised to power 2 minus 5ab plus 6b squared equal to 0. Now divide everything by b squared. So we are going to have a squared over b squared minus 5ab over b squared plus 6b squared over b squared equal to 0 over b squared, and a squared over b squared can be written as a over b, everything squared, minus, here we are going to have 5a over b plus 6 equal to 0. Let t equal to a over b, but don't forget that our a is 2 raised to power x, our b is 3 raised to power x, which is equal to 2 raised to power x over 3 raised to power x, which can be written as bracket 2 over 3 raised to power x. So let us substitute t into this equation. We are going to have t squared minus 5t plus 6 equal to 0. Let us solve this quadratic equation using quadratic formula. And the quadratic formula is t equal to minus b plus or minus square root b square minus 4ac over 2a. I want you to note that our standard quadratic equation is at squared plus bt plus c equal to 0. Now, if you compare this equation and this equation together, our a is 1, our b is minus 5, and c is 6. So a equal to 1, b equal to minus 5, and c equal to 6. So let us substitute these values into this equation to determine the value of t. T equal to minus bracket minus 5 plus or minus root minus 5 raised to power 2 minus 4 times 1 times 6 over 2 times 1. So our t equal to minus multiplied by minus will give us positive 5 plus or minus root minus 5 squared is 25 minus 4 times 1 times 6 will give us minus 24 minus 24 over 2. So t equal to 5 plus or minus root 25 minus 24 will give us 1 all over 2. And t equal to 5 plus or minus root 1 is 1 over 2. So t equal to 5 plus 1 over 2, or t equal to 5 minus 1 over 2. T equal to 6 over 2, and t equal to 3, or t equal to 4 over 2 and t equal to 2. But don't forget that our t equal to a over b, which is equal to 2 over 3 raised to power x. So let us substitute back our t into this equation. So we have 2 over 3 raised to power x equal to 3, or 2 over 3 raised to power x equal to 2. Let us first solve this one. For us to solve x, take log of both sides. Log 2 over 3 raised to power x equal to log 3. X log 2 over 3 equal to log 3. Divide both sides by log 2 over 3. X equal to log 3 over log 2 over 3. And x is approximately minus 2.6. 7096. So let us solve the second one. Take log of both sides. Log 2/3 raised to power x equal to log 2. So x log 2/3 equal to log 2. Divide both sides by log 2/3. X equal to log 2 over log 2/3, and x is approximately minus 1.7095. For more math trick like this, hit subscribe and follow. Thank you.